everyone, in this video I'm showing how I do my favorite, the most beautiful makeup ever, natural nude makeup. And I'm gonna share with you the techniques I use to do it as a professional makeup artist. I love this makeup, it looks so healthy and glowy and really highlights your beauty, so let's start. First of all, I pay a lot of attention to skincare, and when my skin looks tired and pale, I like using glowing toner and a hydrating skincare cream or primer. It will give this inner glow to the makeup and also will help skin makeup like foundation and concealer sit more evenly. I like applying foundation with a dense brush. This changes everything because it creates a thin layer of product on your skin, which makes it undetectable and seamless while giving your skin an even, fresh look. And after distributing the foundation with a brush, I like blending it out with a damp sponge. Using this technique and small amount of products is the secret to apply any foundation, even with high coverage, seamlessly, and it will look really natural on your skin. Next, very important step is color correcting. I need to color correct my under eye circles, which have a brown purple shade, so I always use hydrating concealer with a color correcting shade in it, which is usually apricot or pink or something in between, for a natural skin finish but long lasting result. I like using a cream face palette like this one, and I apply a thin layer of blush, highlighter and bronzer. This will work as a base for my powder products, but as I apply everything very thin, it will look natural, won't be visible on the skin, but will last long. And another tip to cream contouring and blushing is choosing the right shades. So for very light skin, choose a lighter shade of bronzer and blend it out really well. Then it will look natural, like you've just been sunbathing on a holiday. After, I like duplicating all these products with powder products from this glowing palette. I apply this light powder with a thin layer under the eyes and on the cheekbones for a soft glow. Then I do the same with blush and the bronzer. And I always take a very tiny amount of product with a brush and use very airy, very polishing, slightly touching motions to apply it. This way the color will be blended very softly and will look super natural, but will give your skin a lot of definition and beautiful, natural and healthy shade. Brows are very important in this makeup. They should look as natural as possible but have a nice shape and color. For that purpose, I like using brow soap. I brush my brows out with it to give them the natural shape, and then I stick them to the skin like this, which will help them stay longer on place. And after that, when I have the shape visible, I fill in the brows locally, only where it's needed, with a brow pencil or any other brow product like this color gel, for example. And the airy, natural looking but filled in and done brow is ready. After my brows are done, I'm moving on to the eyes, and the first step I always do in the natural makeup is making my lash line dark with a dark brown long-staying pencil or gel liner, and you can see how it gives definition to my eye shape already. Then I apply a cream eyeshadow in a natural shade like golden or peach or light brown, and I duplicate it with a powder eyeshadow from this beautiful universal palette, which is really one of my all-time favorites. The shades there are so universal and so delicate and beautiful. I applied a medium brown a little bit in the eye crease, and then this amazing champagne color on the eyelid. Look how refreshing it looks on the eye. Then, with a dark brown shade and a thin brush, I create a soft brown line only on the border with my lashes. And lastly, I apply a dark brown mascara to finish up my eye look. Brown mascara always looks so beautiful and natural for daily looks if you have fair or light skin and light hair. And my eyes are ready. Let's move on to the lips. When I have time, I like doing this 3-step lip makeup. First goes a long-staying pencil in caramel or medium brown shade. I create a lip liner with it, and then I like filling it in with a long-staying lip tint or lipstick in a neutral dusty pink. And then I top it up with a neutral or transparent lip gloss. Look how tender the lips look with these 3 steps. And to finalize my makeup, I like taking a little bit of blush on a small fluffy brush and just polish this blush into my eye crease, a little bit on the nose and a little bit on the cheeks. And you can also apply a setting spray or a fixing spray, and the look is ready. Here you can see the final look and before and after. Do you agree with me that this makeup just enhances all the beauty of the face and makes it look fresh and healthy? Please write your opinion in the comments. And we can finalize what are the key techniques I used. Glowing toner and hydrating skincare to prepare the skin, thin layers of foundation and correcting concealer, thin layer of cream products for the face and light powder products on top with a glowing effect, lash line and natural colors on the eyes, first a cream base and then eyeshadows, brown mascara, natural lips, airy brows, and a little bit of blush in the eye crease and on the nose. And I thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!